Ben Higgs here for the Butcher Club once again, and today I'm going to go through pork cooking hacks. So I'm going to show you my best hacks for making perfect roast pork. The first hack to getting absolutely amazing roast pork is to do with the crackle. Now, with the skin here, quite often if you buy pork, it might be vacuum sealed or packaged. So hack number one, the first thing you want to do is unwrap it, get it out of the package, make sure it's nice and dry. You can do that with a kitchen cloth or a towel, and then store it in the fridge unwrapped for as long as you can. And this way the refrigeration completely dries out the skin. So if you can do it overnight, that's terrific. If you can only do it for an hour, that's great as well. So hack number one, get your skin completely dry. Hack number two is scoring the skin, which everybody is obviously already pretty well aware of, but what you want to do is get some nice scores in that skin. So get a sharp knife, the sharpest knife you've got, and you just want to make some incisions all the way down that skin, the length of it. Now what this does, this hack helps the heat get in and around so you get a better quality crackling when you roast it off. So score the skin is hack number two. So you'll need a sharp knife. I quite like using the point of that. Some people actually use a designated Stanley knife or like a razor blade sort of knife to cut, but I've just got quite a nice sharp boning knife here, a small knife, and you can see I've got some reasonable scores going down, probably about a centimetre apart each way. You could score it the other way as well, but I think that's going to be enough for us. The next hack when cooking amazing roast pork is we want to salt that skin. So like when we dried it out, the salt's going to do the same thing. So we want to give that a liberal salting. Now I don't use the flaky salt for this because I find it doesn't suck the moisture out as much. But I use this powdery table salt and I give it a really good rub into the skin so that it can really draw out any excess moisture. Some people oil the skin as well. I don't think that's important, but I like to give it a really good salting. The other hack there that I've done, I didn't even tell you about, is to roast it on top of some mirepoix, some vegetables. That stops it sticking to the pan and also imparts flavour up through your roast pork. So you can see there, I've got a beautiful salted pork skin there, ready to go. Okay, the next hack for cooking perfect roast pork is to do with the oven temperature. Now the first thing you want to do, put your salted pork ready to roast into the oven as hard as your oven will go. So usually they go up to about 250 degrees Celsius. So chuck it into there as hot as it'll go. Now keep it in there for 25 minutes on as hot as it'll go, and then back it back to about 190, and you want to keep it there for 50 minutes for every kilo of pork. So this one is just under a kilo, so it's going to take about 45 minutes. But the other way we're going to tell, we're going to use our beauty probe thermometer there, and we're going to get it to 65 degrees. Another pork cooking hack is you always want to rest it. Same as you rest roast lamb, steaks, pork, every sort of muscle fibre when you're cooking it needs to relax afterwards. So we're gonna roast this for an hour. We want to rest it for at least 10 minutes after it's roasted before you start to cut it. So dry the skin out, score the skin, salt the skin, whack it in the oven as hard as it'll go for 25 minutes, 50 minutes for every kilo roasting, and pull it out at 65 degrees on the probe thermometer, and don't forget to rest it. As you can see, that is crispy, crackly, crackling, absolutely done to perfection. Have a look at that. Oh, that crackling is 100%. Absolutely juicy roast pork, couldn't be any better.